Hi everyone, welcome back to StalkMyCloset. Today I'll show you how to make this classic gathered skirt with a comfortable elastic waistband. Before we begin, here are the measurements I'm using for this skirt. Now let's get started. First, I'll fold the fabric in half widthwise and then fold it again lengthwise. Now I have 4 layers of fabric. I have an on-fold edge at the center and another on-fold edge at the top. Now I'll mark the skirt length. I'm going to measure the length from the bottom edge. My finished skirt length is 26 inches. I'll add 2 inches for the elastic casing and 1 inch for the hem allowance. So I need a total of 29 inches. I'll mark this point and extend the line across the fabric. Now I'll mark the casing and hem points and extend both points across the fabric. Next, I'll mark the skirt width. For this skirt, I'm using twice the hip measurement to create the gathers. However, you can change this calculation depending on how much fullness you want in your skirt. For lighter gathers, you can use 1.5 times the hip measurement. For medium gathers, you can use twice the hip measurement. And if you want a fuller skirt, you can use 2.5 or even 3 times the hip measurement. For this skirt, I'm using twice the hip measurement. So take the hip round measurement, multiply it by 2 and then divide the total by 4. So I'll measure 20 inches from the folded side and mark a straight line down. I'll add ½ inch seam allowance along the side seam. And with this, all our markings are complete, so I can now cut the skirt. Now that's our skirt pieces are cut, let's move on to sewing. First, I'll join the side seams. So I've stitched the side seams on both sides. Next, I'll finish the hem. I'll fold the hem allowance twice and stitch close to the edge to secure it. So I've finished the hem. Now let's work on the elastic casing. For this skirt, I'm not attaching a separate waistband. Instead, I have included the casing within the skirt length itself. I'm using 1.25 inch elastic. So I've taken 2 inches for the casing. I've already marked the 2-inch casing while cutting. First, I'll fold the ½ inch seam allowance at the top and press it. Now I'll fold the casing along the 2-inch marking and press it again. Now I'll stitch close to the edge to secure the casing, leaving about a 1-inch opening to insert the elastic. Now the casing is ready, so I'll insert the elastic using a safety pin. Once the elastic comes through, I'll overlap the two ends and secure them with back and forth stitches. And now I'll close the opening. Lastly, I'll add a top stitch around the waistband. I'll increase the stitch length slightly as this makes it easier to stitch over the elastic. And that's it, our gathered skirt is ready. This is a comfortable style for everyday wear and you can try it with different fabrics and prints. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found the cutting and sewing process easy to follow. If you found it useful, please give it a like and share it with someone who loves sewing. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel for more sewing tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.